Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for a brand new video. So for today's video, I'm bringing you guys the very requested hair tutorial. If you follow me on my other socials, then you may have seen like a few posts on TikTok, just like me talking about this new like curling routine thing that I've got going on, and you guys were like so here for it. You're like, please can you do a tutorial for it? So here I am today, bringing you guys that we don't need a Dyson Airwrap to achieve the best curl ever. I have achieved this using a cheap curler and some £1.50 rollers, and I've also done a wear test for you guys to actually show you how long this lasts for. Got this new little like magic product, I want to say, that is meant to keep these curls in. Kind of see like this is the final hair, and let me just tell you, like this is the best my hair's ever gone, and I've managed to get it all on camera for you guys. Even included the satisfaction of you all watching me take out rollers, which I mean, I love watching people take out rollers personally, so you guys are going to be able to watch me take out my roller. I've also filmed this makeup routine. Now, I've done them both on the same day, but I have done them in like two separate videos because I really wanted to do both videos as in depth as possible, and I really wanted to make this hair video for you guys really in depth. So I'm going to stop rambling. I really hope you all do enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Hello. So as you can see, my hair's a little bit wet. I washed it this morning. Anyone else freaking hate hair wash days? Because it actually, like, I only got out this morning and thought I actually really can't be asked to do this, but I wanted to quickly jump on here now before I kind of dry my hair and stuff to put you all on. Well, I say put you all on it, realistically have I tried it myself? No. Bought this the other day, a little bit more, not pricey, could say price, it was like £25, £27, I'm pretty sure. Friend Harry actually recommended this to me, and then some people commented this on my TikTok the other day. So it is the Keratis Paris, I think that's how you say it, Keratis. I don't even know if I really want to pronounce what it's called. Lincroyable, no, that's so wrong. Lincroyable. Below dry. That was awful. I like this stuff that you put onto your hair, and it's meant to keep your curls in place. Now, like I said, my friend Harriet recommended this to me. She uses the Dyson Airwrap. She said this is the only thing that holds her curls. When I done the little roller TikTok the other day, someone literally commented saying you need to try this to get your curls to hold. I personally will say I think that this will definitely work better on the Dyson Airwrap, because this is what it says to do. Apply to damp hair, blow dry, and heat style to set shape. But me saying I think it works better on the Dyson Airwrap, like you literally like dry your hair in a curl, so I can imagine that working insane. To reactivate it, you could just reapply heat at 150 degrees or plus. So I mean, this is gonna be magic. Also had to buy this from the Keratis website. I'm pretty sure they sell this on Look Fantastic, but it was out of stock, and I was like, I need it in my life. Well, that smells incredible. Now my hair is a little bit more dry than damp, but it's fine, we can work with it. Obviously, like I do, as you guys know, have my clip-ins, and my clip-ins tend to like hold the curls quite well, but my natural hair is where it kind of seems to drop. Oh my god, it smells incredible. Give you guys a little bit more of a description of what it says. Thermo protection up to 230 degrees. Sorry. Controls the look of frizz for 96 hours in 80% humidity. Oh my god, this honestly sounds like a magic product. Elegant, curly, wavy, or straight styles. This actually sounds like magic. I'm excited for this because I find the top of my hair always goes like really frizzy. I'm gonna go and blow dry my hair, and then I will be back. My hair has all been blow dried, as you guys can see, and I'm not gonna lie, that has really helped with the frizz of my hair anyway. Like just like now, it's actually so less frizzier than it would have been if I didn't use it. I'm just gonna quickly pop in my hair extensions. I'm gonna section the bottom half of my hair, and then as you guys know, if you've seen me do my hair, I usually like plait the bottom section and clip it up. I'm actually going out tonight, which is kind of the first time I've been out with my friends since I've been home. Like, I used to get, you know, one of them like little like plastic bands to kind of do the ends, but now I just kind of leave it and just kind of clip it up, and it's usually always okay. I've got such an old school song stuck in my head. Forget about your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel. I've got my two little plaits chilling. I'm gonna clip them up now. So basically I leave the clips in for the moment, and I cross them over at the back. Can you even understand what I'm saying right now? Clip it in the center, then I take out one of the clips, hook the end into the middle clip, it doesn't like come undone, and then I clip up the side. And now we're gonna fake her up a little bit. We're gonna put in my first two-piece. The extensions I use are from Palm Luxury Hair. You can see they're really flat, so when you put them on, they sit on your head like really seamless. I've even been able to have my hair in a ponytail with these extensions, and you can't even tell. But the reason why I clip up the underneath bits is because when you pull the hair forward, you don't have your like underneath bits of hair like coming through. I just section it again. Go in with the four-piece. By the way, really random, the hairbrush I'm using is from Primark. I'm not gonna lie, I swear by this hairbrush. It is incredible. And you're thinking, oh, Primark, like, is it that good? Trust me, you will not regret getting this. Finally getting my hair done next week. But as you guys are watching this, I may have already had my hair done, you know, because I'm pre-filming loads of content for you guys, because you know I'm going to be that organised queen. For the 5-piece. Now I'm just going to section the top bit for the final 2 pieces. The current hair situation, my extensions are still like a little bit curled from the other day. I am going to pop on some heat protect, because even though these are just extensions, you still definitely need to take care of them. The heat protect I've been using at the moment is the L'Oreal Elvive. It's the 10-in-1 spray. I'm not gonna lie, this is absolutely fantastic. I'm not a hairdresser and I feel like there's so much stigma around what's good for your hair, what's bad for your hair. I personally, this stuff has worked absolute wonders on my natural hair, especially. Obviously when it's your natural hair, I feel like you can tell a little bit more. With regards to washing my hair, like I haven't had to wash it for way longer than usual. Like I can go a good 4 days without it even going greasy and it feels in so much better condition. Now we have obviously just used the keratis, but I wanted to just put this on the actual extensions, because the only thing with the keratis is that even though it reactivates when you apply heat, I only meant to put this on damp hair. I've got some new clips from Amazon. I'll link them down below. They're really good for just like clipping up your hair when you want a pin curl, that pin curl clips. Yeah, they literally are just like your standard like metal clips. They have like maybe a collection of 10 rollers. Currently I can only see 7, which is great, so I need to go find the other 3. I'm gonna start off with curling my 2 top bits. Now I really want to get like one of them big rollers, because I only have the smaller version. I'm gonna do the top bit in 2 sections and I just kind of like curl it away. Now I don't leave like the curlers on for as long as I would if I was just curling my hair normally, just because I don't need to. You just basically need to just make sure your hair's like hot and literally just wrap it round the roller the way I curled it, flip it up, and then I do the same on the other side. Really fiddly because I'm trying to do it like symmetrical to the other side. This next bit is literally like personal preference. I like to just curl my hair in all different directions. And the front bit, like my face shape suits when the curls are away from the face, for the underneath bits to turn inwards. Some of you also might be thinking like, Shannon, what is the difference between you just curling your hair normally and using the rollers? I love doing the rollers because they honestly add so much volume to the hair. And it's just vibes. I feel like it is very similar to what the Dyson Airwrap gives. Lost on a train, lost. I'm gonna curl this one in. Always curl my hair like away from my face on either side, but I'm really enjoying the different directions. Rollers I use, guys, are literally £1.50 from Primark. I think you get like 8 in a pack. The thing I hate about the rollers is obviously I do the rollers before I do my makeup, and sometimes they just get in the way of the makeup routine. Also, I feel like I didn't even do this, like kind of like a quick little disclaimer. I am by no means any form of hairstylist. Like I'm awful with hair, so if I'm doing anything wrong or you have any constructive criticism, then please let me know, because I was that girl at school that couldn't even do like a French braid. Hair was just never really my forte, nor was sport. I couldn't even do a freaking cartwheel, guys. So this is the current situation. I've just got all my hair in rollers, so I'm gonna go do my makeup. I usually leave them in for about an hour or so, depending on how long my makeup takes. You guys know, sometimes they take a little bit of a long time. I feel like proper old school with my hair like this. Now I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I will come back and take them out on camera with you guys. Like I know how satisfying it is watching someone take rollers out. She's back, she's glam, she's full face moment. So I'm not too sure which way the videos are going up, way round the videos are going up, but I have just filmed this whole little makeup tutorial as well. Now it's time to take out my hair. This is really nervous because I'm literally doing this on camera in front of you guys and I'm really scared. I really hope it goes well. I'm really nervous to do this because sometimes I do have to usually like go back in with another cheeky little curl moment or like a few sections. Let's all just pray that this just goes absolutely fantastically. Okay, cheeky. This one I didn't actually put a roller in because I didn't have one. I just like brush it out with a roller maybe, just to kind of, please be cute, please be cute, please be cute. Be cute. She got a little bit of volume going on. It's a real trust the process moment. I'm really more intrigued with this to see how the curls actually hold. I'm gonna dust over like a tiny bit of hairspray. Sorry, that one is my favorite. Like she got volume. I know I used a curler, but like it just gives a whole different vibe. That side's gone fantastically. And my new helix piercing, ow, an innie or an outie? These going so fantastic today. These literally did not go this well. This is probably the best time it's ever gone, by the way, so I really hope you guys are enjoying this on camera. Okay, this really be testing my helix. Ow! See what I mean? She needs to go again. I think that was partly to do with my application of the roller. You know what, before I do anything else, I am just gonna quickly recurl. I didn't even say what colour I'm using. Am I okay? It's the Mark Hill medium barrel. This is the pick and mix wand set. I would definitely recommend going to Boots to buy this because I usually have this on 3 for 2, so you can get the wand and like 2 different attachments for the 3 for 2. I like go back in and like recurl a section. I literally only leave it until it's cooled down. Like I don't be sitting here like for an hour with them in because ain't nobody got time for that. Just so you guys know, like if you do need to go back in, I would just personally recommend just leaving it until it cools down at least. Wonderful. Not too sure about her. What are you doing? Go back again. So can we pray this looks way cuter than what it did last time? Okay, yeah. Take down the two top bits, which, keeping it real, I usually get really fed up with these and tuck them behind my ear. That's why I put my two-piece clip-ins a little bit further back. Because yeah, these bits just always end up dropping out. But like I say, I am going to do like a little wear test. Actually, I have no words. She is freaking cute. She's got volume. I don't really know how much I vibe with this little bit. I don't know if it suits my face shape or not, but I don't know if that's me just like deeping it. Cute, she a moment. You guys know I'm like a no hairspray gal. Like I absolutely hate using hairspray, but I'm gonna use some. But I'm using this one from Silver Crin, I want to say. I really like using this one only because it's a really light hairspray. Like I literally dust a little bit all over it. It's not like the got to be glued one. Not too sure if this is the right order or this is even what I should be doing, but you know, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna put in this Wow Style on steroids. It's the performance enhancing and finishing texture spray. I've been loving this on my hair. Do you know what? Not even for the pure fact it just freaking smells nice. It is the finished hairstyle. I'm absolutely obsessed. Who says that we need a Dyson Airwrap? Because I really don't think we do. Really good filming by me here. This was actually 3 hours after. So it's been like 6 hours and even my front bits are still in, so I'm just putting it out there. Wow. That cream is fantastic. Wow! Put out there that Keratin's blow dry cream is the best thing ever. Yeah. You're done. Very cool. You've actually missed out on the vlogging experience. I just come on the toilet, no chances on. You're done. You're done. You here? Yeah. I really hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, then please make sure to get a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.